Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on ChatGPT app. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will write this name of this application of ChatGPT. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching and your attention.